It is possible to make Nigerian party food without MSG. So this video is for those of you that are struggling, because personally it took me a while to cook for others without MSG. Now we need things like celery, lovage and lots of herbs, and I'll share with you the specific ones that I think are so important. So stir fry your onions and bay leaves, and then add in some peppers, some garlic, some ginger, some thyme. These are really important. Now for fried rice you need your green bell peppers. Blend that one and set aside for now. And then we're gonna stir in our rice that's been washed. Okay, I don't parboil my rice, it's entirely up to you. Okay, stir fry this thing, and we want a bit of frying, but this is a huge amount. This is like more than 10 kilos of rice, so it's a lot of stirring. Now we need stock, really concentrated stock, and I have a video coming up how I make my stock concentrated, which I also store in ice cube trays like this, or in the liquid form, because I wanted to cook this. Now lovage leaves, not the seeds, are so good for your stock on broth. So I'm adding some more lovage and celery leaves powder, and I have a recipe how I make my celery leaves powder. It makes your stock really delicious. So we're gonna add our green peppers that have been blended, and stir this thing and just let it cook on medium to low heat. Leaving that aside, we're going over to our wok to make our vegetable and our meat. So Nigerian fried rice always has like some animal protein. Shellfish is entirely optional because some people are allergic, especially when you're making for a party. But I'm stir frying some prawns first because I don't want to add it to the vegetables. I'm going to take it out, clean this pan, and this will be for some people. This is actually going to be left for my house, whereas the others will be taken to the party. So that's, a disclaimer. Not everyone wants shellfish in their public party fried rice. Next, after frying this, I'm taking that out and I go and look at my rice. It's almost steaming. You need to stir it because the quantity is so much, it needs to cook evenly. Okay, now you have some animal protein. We've got liver here, and then all our vegetables are all prepped and ready to go. Why I like Nigerian fried rice is because you can add so many vegetables, and people that don't normally eat vegetables will eat it. So we're starting with our peas. You could start with green bell peppers, but I started with peas here because I added my bell peppers to the stock. So everyone cooks their own fried rice in a different way, but this is how I cook it. These are beetroots, golden and purple beetroots. Okay, you can use that, but I don't like using the pure red ones because it changes the color of everything. Now go ahead, add all your vegetables, and I'm adding some more seasoning. This is Italian seasoning, which is mainly oregano and a bit of basil powder. And I'm gonna stir fry this till it's a bit dry. So we want it all cooked and no moisture sitting around. I'm adding some more celery and lovage. You taste and you go as you go along. The secret is my herbs. That's what makes this rice pop, and that's what will make your public cooking pop, and everyone will eat it. Yeah, I want to encourage you that if you want to cook for people, you don't have to have MSG, because MSG, we know, is a neurotoxin. Anyway, back to our rice. We now have a big pot. If you have this pot in your house, hands up. I don't use aluminium, but this is the only aluminium pot I have because of the bulk amount of cooking I do when I make food for parties. Okay, I need it for that. Our rice is cooked. We served this, and guess what? Everyone ate this at the party. There was nothing left over, so you can cook without MSG.